In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft To Do to Google Calendar using the built-in Outlook Sync feature. Whether you're a busy professional or just someone who loves being organized, integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your scheduling and task management into one seamless experience. Now, let's dive into the details of this tutorial. First, you'll want to start by signing into your Microsoft account. This is crucial because it acts as the bridge between Microsoft To Do and your calendar functionalities. Make sure you're using the account where your tasks and schedules are stored. Once you've signed in, the next step is to open Outlook.com using the same account. When you're inside Outlook, head over to the top right corner of the screen and you're going to click that familiar gear icon. After clicking, a menu should appear and you'll want to select View All Outlook Settings. This will open a new window with several configuration options. From these options, navigate to the Calendar section and click on Shared Calendars. Here, you'll find an option labeled Publish a Calendar. This option will help you create a shareable link to integrate into Google Calendar. Under this section, you'll need to decide which calendar you want to publish. Most likely, you'll select your primary calendar and set it to Can View All Details to ensure you have the fullest picture of your schedule. Once you've made your selection, click on Publish. Doing so will generate an ICS link, which is a web-based calendar file you can use in other calendar applications. Now take this ICS link and open your Google Calendar in another tab. In the left panel of your Google Calendar, you'll see an option to add other calendars. Click on this option and it will provide a couple of choices. You'll want to select From URL. In the From URL field, paste the ICS link that you copied from Outlook. After pasting the link, the final step is to click Add Calendar to complete the integration. This simple action will import your Outlook calendar into Google Calendar, displaying everything seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Microsoft To Do to Google Calendar. This integration should help you see all your tasks and events in one place, making it easier to navigate your days efficiently. While the process might seem a bit intricate at first, following these steps will soon become second nature, allowing you to make the most of both Microsoft To Do and Google Calendar. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!